Ryan Kennedy, BKC Mortgage, May 31st, Saturday afternoon. Here's a quick update on the mortgage rates for this week. It was not all that good news. Turbulent, cautious optimism, a mixed bag. Economic uncertainty, political developments, all continue to run the markets and the media. So mortgage rates climbed for the third consecutive week. Freddie Mac estimating rates around 6.90, 6.89, the highest since February 2025. These elevated rates, coupled with uncertainty, contributed to a 6.3% decline in pending home sales in April. And this is the most important thing to understand. With these jobless claims rising to their highest level since November 2024, the Fed is going to have to cut the rates. Now, will that happen soon in 2025? I don't think so. It might start in 2025, but I think the benefit for buyers and the general public will happen in 2026, 2027, and 2028. So here is my most important note to understand the market and the opportunity you have as a buyer to negotiate seller concessions. As these homes sit on the market longer, we convert from a seller's market to a buyer's market, which we're in the process of doing now. We're not already in a buyer's market. We're seeing homes sit longer, and we're seeing sellers willing to negotiate either lowering price or seller concessions for the buyer. Now, what you can do with seller concessions are amazing for the buyer. You can pay for your closing costs, which is an out-of-pocket cost when you buy a home. You can buy down your rate on a temporary buy down or a permanent buy down. You need to see the math, and you need to be working with a lender that will show you the math so you can prepare yourself when you go to negotiate. It's an investment. So the opportunity now, before the rates come down in the next couple of years, which that's my opinion, the opportunity to negotiate a really good deal for you and your family is fantastic. You need to be working with a really good realtor that understands that. You need to be working with a really good lender that will show you the math in writing, so you're prepared to negotiate those terms for yourself and your family. I see the optimistic side of things on almost everything I do, and I am optimistic about where we're going. So reach out if you have any questions, DM me, text me, call me. Let's show you the math so you can get into a house today. Talk to you soon.